If you're looking to restore your old or blurry photos, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to Zohybe AI and click the bell icon for more informative and exciting AI-related content. Let's get started.
Saving the future, $1 at a time. With Zohybe AI, we're gonna be just fine.
First of all, open any browser, go on search bar and search for Photo Restore AI and open this site. This link is available in description. Now here, click on this Photo Restore option and select your blurry or old photo. After this, it will take few seconds for processing and make your image ready. And here is output. You can see the difference between both the images. This AI tool is amazing. You can restore any type of photo using this. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video is helpful to you. Subscribe.
So